In this blog, we will deal with the customization of Appbar. So Appbar is nothing but the title bar which we generally see in our Flutter applications. There we specify the name of the app, and to the right of it we have having some space, right, so we can add some buttons over there and customize the app bar, so that we can also populate a menu over there to the right of the app bar. It's a drop down kind of menu, and also we can display some icons onto the app bar also. So depending upon your application requirement, you can customize these app bars. And here we will be seeing the basic and the default way of customizing the app bar here. So we are considering the default class my app in the void main, and we are extending my app class with the stateless widget over here, and we are returning a material app over here. And here you can see we have removed the debug banner here, so we have provided it as false here, so that the debug banner is no more visible on our Flutter application. So from the home we have specified a home class here which is extending a stateless widget here, and we are returning a scaffold which provides the skeleton for our application, so inside which we have declared the app bar. So generally in the previous tutorials we have just declared a one line called title, but now we are adding the additional things, like here you can say actions. So these actions will specify a set of widgets that we want to be displayed on the app bar here. So as I have discussed in the earlier, we can display a drop down menu or icon button onto the app bar here. So here that's again depending upon your application requirement, you can either place any one of them, and you can place even both of them on your application app bar here. So here for this tutorial I am going to place both of them so that it will be easy for you to understand, and depending upon your requirement you can choose any either one of them. So here we have specified an icon button here, and here we have provided the on press functionality also, but I have specified empty here. So you can specify your functionality over here, so that whenever user tap on the particular button, so here this I button is stands for info button, so information regarding your application can be displayed using a dialog box when the user tap on this particular I button here. So you can make the same output here, so when user tap on the icon button you can specify a dialog box. And here inside the pop-up menu button here, this is a drop down here, so whenever you tap on the more menu button, so this particular drop down will be displayed in the form of a pop-up menu here, so inside which we have specified these menu items. So here these are the list of items to be displayed in this particular pop-up menu button list here. So here this is in the form of a string here. So and we have provided the context and also on selected, so whenever you tap on any particular option you can for example here this is a help, so when you tap on the help button, so when you tap on the help option here you can navigate the user to the help screen, or you can make any such customizations, or you can open a URL in the browser. Same way for about, and here profile you can display the user details in that particular screen, and you can provide the navigation link over here, and here the version of your application, and this is a logout, a general option for every application, and settings to customize your application. And here we are mapping our this particular options to our choice over here. So you can see we have displayed the names, but where we are handling the on click functionality. So here you can see we have provided handle click over here, so whenever this particular string we have specified, right, this help about profile, so whenever do you tap on any particular example, like when you tap on help, so this particular help matches with this particular case, and you can specify your code over here, so what you want to be done when the user tap on the help button, so you can specify, you can navigate to the screen, or you can make your own functionality here. Same for all these cases, help about profile version settings and logout. So this way we can handle this particular pop-up menu over here and icon. So now let us try to see the output once. So here this is the output, And as we have discussed earlier, this will be the same output for both Android and iOS devices. So here when you tap on the menu button here, you can get a drop down here with the list of all the things which we have specified over here. And again, one more thing, here the list of options here, it is not any sorted list. So how you specify, in the same way they will be visible in your list, and there is no sorting as of now. You can make use of those techniques later. So here we have specified this one, and here in the info we have not specified any functionality, right? So just it is, you can see the on click functionality is working, and you can make use of your own functionality over in this particular page. As this tutorial deals with the app bar, so I have not specified any content inside the body. So just a sample title over here for the app bar, and here just two icons here. And also you can add multiple icons also here, so you can just copy them and paste over here, and inside the icons you will be having different icons, right? So for example, we can also specify an alarm button over here, or whatever the thing required. I want to specify an alarm icon over here, and just tap on the restart, and here you can see we have got one more icon, that is an alarm, and also here the same way. And if you want more options over here, you can just copy this one, and you can add one more option here. So you can specify this as exit. There is already logout, but for just for the sake I want to show you, I am specifying it. So here you can see now the exit is also added to the list of the things, but don't forget to add the same in these cases also, you need to add them. So here also you need to provide that exit option, so that whenever user taps on that particular thing, it will get matched and the particular action will be performed over. So here this is for this tutorial on app bar customizations. So the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below, and if you are having any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more interesting tutorials, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.